Greetings everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can use Veed AI website for editing your videos in just a few clicks. So let's get into it. First of all, open Google and you can search for the Veed.io. Here you can edit your video. So this is the first link, or you can also go to this website by typing Veed.io in your browser or your mobile phone. Okay, so after opening that you will get this kind of interface. You can click on the start for free button. Okay, you can do multiple things here, like you can do auto subtitles, you can get the brand kit, you can do dubbing, text to video, AI clips, AI avatars, and recording as well. So we will go with the start for free package because I'm going to show you how you can do these things step by step. So here we will sign up with Google account. I will select my account here and then I will click on continue button. So that's how our account will be created on this website and we will get our dashboard. Here you can do simple things here. I'll just here you can write your email address. Okay, like I'm adding email. So finally I have added my email. I will click on this continue button. So here you can just select things that you want. I will just click on this personal and I'm doing here random thing, and then I will just click on the continue button after selecting these options. You have to answer all of these questions. Now I'll click on this continue button. So I'll click on maybe later, and here we will go with the free package. Continue with the free plan, and doing all this stuff, then you will get your dashboard. Okay, here you can do multiple things. I will show you step by step. So finally we have got this dashboard. Now we will upload our video here just by clicking upload files. So I will select my video here and I will just open it and upload the file on the dashboard. So finally our video is in the uploading process. Here you can do multiple things, like you can add animation, you can adjust your video, you can edit with the script, you can also adjust the speed of your video, you can also add your voiceover, you can also do these multiple things, like you can remove the background noise from your videos audio, or if you have a green screen in your video, then you can remove your green screen as well, and you can change the background. Okay, you can also split your video in multiple parts at multiple intervals. So that was all about how you can use Veed.io website and edit your videos online. Okay, you will can also get the brand kit and transcript. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.